Congratulations, your APSX-PIM V3 is here. You've officially brought manufacturing home. In this video, we're going to be going over everything that's inside the box. The PIM V3 arrives in a 50 by 25 by 25 inch crate weighing about 300 pounds. First, we'll take out the screws from the top and remove the lid. Next, we'll take off one of the long sides of the crate. Followed by the other long side. The PIM V3 comes with a lot of accessories. We get a quick start manual, a hopper for your plastic pellets, a box which contains the tablet PC, a box which contains the chain covers, a box which contains 2 pounds of polypropylene, some tools for machine maintenance, 2 saddles for your machine to sit on, a kilowatt voltmeter, and a pre-installed test mold. Remove the bolts to separate the machine from the crate. If one of the bolts is stuck, hoisting the machine up will free it. Always use the chain hook holes located on the clamp motor and injection motor mount plates, which are designed specifically for lifting. And just like that, you're one step closer to production. Now let's get this thing set up.